Good morning, students of grade 4th. Myself Bhagwati Prajapat and I am your maths teacher. We are doing Exceed Maths book, Student Workbook Volume 1. Today we will start as 2 of block 1 on page number 38. Today's date is 9th of September 2020. We are doing all work in our classwork. So, S2 is measuring line segments. We know that what is the meaning of line segment? In line segment, we have two endpoints and we can't extend a line segment. And measuring means we have to measure with our ruler. That means how much length of the given line segment. So students, let's start. Question 1. Cross out the shorter line in each pair of lines. We have two lines in one question and we have to tell which one is shorter, and we will measure with help of our ruler. And in this question we can easily see that which one is shorter, but we will use ruler. Okay, so from one point to second point we will measure, and first point will start in our ruler from 0. We have 0 here and we have to measure this. Approximately this one is 4 centimeter because this is starting from 0 to 4. You can see easily it is starting from 0 to 4. So this one is 4 centimeter, and let's see what is the length of this. So this we are starting from 0. Okay, first point is starting from 0 and next end point is and on 2. So that means the length of this line segment is 2 centimeter. Now 4 centimeter or 2 centimeter, which one is shorter? Yes, 2 centimeter is shorter. So cross out. We have to cross out the shorter line. So shorter line this one. So cross out B. Now we have a black line and we will measure from 0. And you can see easily that we start from 0 and approximately it end on 4, and this one is smaller line 4 and half. So 4.5 centimeter length of this line segment, and in this we always start from 0, students. Do carefully. And in this we are starting from 0. Okay, I am doing from this. We are starting from 0 and the line segment is ending on 4 point. So this one is 4 centimeter and this one is 4.5 centimeter. Which one is shorter? Yes, this one is shorter. So we will cross this one. Now come on, question number 2. Measure the line segments. Take the longest one. Longest one means which one of these line segment is longer line segment. Okay, so first of all we have to know that how much length of these line segments. So we will measure with our ruler, and you know that we start from 0. So first point is 0 and second is end point is on 3. We are starting from 0 and end point you can see easily it is ending on 3. So this line is 3 of centimeter. 3 centimeter. B, we will start from 0. You can see easily. We will start from 0 and it is ending on 7. This one is 7. Ending on 7. So the line segment length is 7 centimeter. Next, C. Again we will start from 0 and this is ending on 1. You are looking properly? Yes, 1. So line segment is 1 of centimeter. Next we have P and Q. We will start from 0 and end point is on 8. This one is 8. So the line segment is length of 8 centimeter. So one more thing students, we have here LM line, sleeping line CD, sleeping line EF. What is the meaning of this? The meaning of this, we have a line. This line is line, okay, and the name of line segment is LM. Line LM, line CD, line EF, line PQ. That means these are name of the line segments. Okay, so which one is longer? 3, 7, 1 or 8. 8 centimeter is a longer line segment. So we will tick on this. Now question number 3. In question number 3 we have Tilak, a boy. Tilak measures the length of AB. AB means we have name of a line segment AB as 6 centimeters. Tilak is measuring a line segment AB and he got the answer 6 centimeter. Is this the correct length? हमें बताना है. That means this length is, that means 6 centimeter is right length or wrong. Why? If we have wrong, we tell this wrong. Why this one is wrong? We have to tell the reason also. What is the actual length of the line segment? So, what mistake Tilak is doing? Let's see. Tilak, we have a line segment A and B. This one is a name of line segment AB and Tilak is measuring from 1. Is Tilak is right? Tilak is right or wrong? Yes, Tilak is wrong, because you know that we always start to measure a line from 0 in our ruler. Okay, and he is measuring from 1. He is measuring from 1. So, Tilak is wrong. So, what is the actual length of line segment? Let's see. Yes, we are starting from 0. Okay, and it is ending on, sorry, this ruler is example only, example base, so we have to solve from this. Okay, so he is measuring from 1, so he got 6 centimeter. If we measure from 0, what number we will got? From 0 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1 centimeter will be less because he is starting from 1 and we are starting from 0. So, actual length of this 5 centimeters. So, the answer is the length is not correct. Length is not correct. Tilak should start measuring from the 0 mark of the ruler. The actual length of the line segment is 5 centimeter. Okay student, so this was our video of S2. S3 we will do in our next class. Till then students, bye bye.